how to make a Google account without a phone number. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here. And then on the search bar, search for google.com. So just search for that. And then once you're now here, before you create an account, make sure that you haven't created an account from this device. Because the reason why Google needs your phone number is because you've already created an account here and your device might be flagged as spam since you're creating too much account. So if you're creating another account right there, that's the reason why you need to verify a phone number. So to proceed. So if you haven't, all you have to do is to just go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. And then on the show more accounts, click that. Just click add another account. And then on this part, just click create account. And then you can choose either for personal use, child, or for your business. So just going to choose for personal use and then just type your name and then click next. And then for the month, of course, just put your birth date right here. So I'm just gonna put some random date number. And then for the gender, it's also up to you, of course. And then once you're now here, just choose your Gmail address and then put your password. And then after that, once you do that, you should now be able to create your account. However, if you still need to verify your phone number, then the next option that we have is to go into our YouTube website and then click your profile icon on the upper right corner of the screen and then click switch account and then click add account right here. So this is where we're going to create an account. So we're going to create an account through YouTube and that might fix your problem. So just try it and that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to make Google account without phone number verification.